welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about a dry shampoo that I recently discovered. This dry shampoo helped clean my 1-month-old unwashed scalp. Now, when I say unwashed scalp, I mean my scalp has not been washed with water and shampoo. So that's what I mean by unwashed scalp. All right, so let's get into this video. So if you have been watching my videos, my new journey with locks, and by the way, if you've not watched those videos, the links will be down in the description box, so please check them out. So back to this video. If you've watched those videos, you would know that I have expressed some challenges with regards to cleaning my scalp. The reason why I have not washed my scalp with water and shampoo is because of the advice that I received from my loctician. They had advised that I should not wash my hair until after my second retightening. I was this close, guys, this close, because of the challenge that I encountered with finding a product that would help clean my scalp. Because of that challenge, I was this close, guys, this close to actually washing my hair with water and shampoo. But I held on because I didn't want to take that chance of washing it and then something happening along the way of me washing it. So when I go to get it, I'll retighten, and then I hear a story saying, oh, your hair hasn't locked, or I have issues with my hair. I just didn't want to have that story. So I wanted to stick to their recommendation of not washing until after the second retightening. But my attempt at cleaning my scalp with rubbing alcohol was a total fail. I diluted the solution to see if it would be less harsh on my scalp, because after I used it the first time, if you've watched my videos, the previous videos, you would have watched where I mentioned that the first time I used just the solution with the wipes, without diluting it, my scalp was really dry after cleaning it. And as a result of that, I then tried to dilute the solution by 2 parts of rubbing alcohol and adding 1 part water. But that still left my scalp feeling really dry. And then I started having these flakes in my hair because of that dryness, that excess dryness. And the only product I'm applying to my hair right now anyways, the only product I'm applying is rose water. And well, it's almost spring. We should be in spring, but the weather is still cold and it's a little bit dry. I had these flakes as a result of the dryness, which became even worse after I cleaned it with the rubbing alcohol. So I was really in a situation where I really wanted to find a fix for it. And I actually had someone comment on one of my videos, recommending that I could wash my hair, that I don't need to be scared. And I was that close. She made me more bold. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. It's not gonna unravel. It's not gonna lose. Nothing's gonna happen to it. I'm just gonna wash it because I really just want to solve this dryness issue with my hair. At the same time, I was like, I was hesitant too. I wasn't yet fully sold on washing my hair with water and shampoo. So I found a dry shampoo. And I just said, you know what? I'm gonna try this product and see what it does to my hair. Because in my last video, I did mention that I was gonna try Cantu dry shampoo that was recommended by my loctician. They had recommended Cantu cold wash dry shampoo, dry shampoo spray. That's what I think it was. So I was gonna try that, but then I said, let me just check to see if I do have any dry shampoos in my hair cabinet. And I found Talia with Waajid Black Earth products. I apologize if I'm not pronouncing it properly. It's Moisture Cleanse. So this is what it looks like, guys. Moisture Cleanse, Talia Waajid Black Earth products. So this is what it looks like. This is it right here. Guess what, guys? It says it thoroughly cleanses without water. It stops itchiness, moisturizes the hair and scalp, and there's a smallest piece aside for description. Yeah, you guys won't be able to read that. So I'll say it. So it says it's great for lock starting. What do you know? What do you know? Great for lock starting, braids, twists, weaves, and hairstyle that cannot be shampooed. Guys, what a coincidence. It mentioned lock starting. So I was like, ooh, this is an answer to prayers. But I wasn't sold yet because I hadn't tried it yet. So I was like, I don't even know if it's gonna work on my hair, if it's gonna leave my hair feeling dry as the rubbing alcohol had. So I said, you know, I'm gonna try it. So I cleaned my scalp using this product with wipes. And guys, this did the work. It left my scalp feeling clean. It got rid of the flakiness. It's almost as though I washed my hair. Now, no, I don't think any product can really replace water. Water and shampoo, like clean your hair like water would when water runs through your hair. I don't think any product can replace that. I've not come across a product that can wash your hair, leave your hair feeling clean as water would. I'm going to show you guys my scalp, and I'm going to see if I have a video showing my hair before I actually clean it. I will put that clip up so you guys can compare and contrast how my hair looked then and how it looks right now. And then another thing I did was I was cleaning it. I was like, oh my God, it's cleaning my hair. But I wanted to give it 24 hours to really ensure that it doesn't leave my scalp dry. Because when I had used the rubbing alcohol, at the time, as I was doing it, cleaning my hair with rubbing alcohol, it looked as though it was getting the job done. But then after it dried, then I started seeing the dryness. But this happened within hours. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna give a few hours to see if my hair becomes, if I see the dryness again, if it becomes flaky. So a few hours pass, nothing. Then I said, okay, you know what, let's take it a step further. I'm gonna give it 24 hours at least. 24 hours came and nothing, guys, nothing. So I can safely say that this product is a must-have for anyone who is in the lock journey. And you know, sometimes it could be a chore to wash your hair, right? Especially if you have those long locks and you just want to quickly clean it. You don't have the time to wash it and let it dry and whatnot. This is definitely one that you should have as part of your hair products that you have on hand. This dry shampoo, it's not even labeled dry shampoo, it's called Moisture Cleanse. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description box linking this product. You guys should have this. You should have it. You should have it. I recommend it. Guys, so that's it for this video. I just came to show you guys the product, to tell you about it, and to tell you how good it's been for my scalp. Alright, so well, thank you so much for stopping by, for watching this video. Please like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you found this video helpful, please share it. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.